I'm very pleased to send this message on the occasion of HNB launching the COVID-19 business support program targeting especially the microfinance segment. This is a fabulous initiative by the HNB Sustainability Foundation, a very strategic CSR initiative hitherto not done by the foundation. So, from that regard, it's a first for all of us, and I'm very pleased that this idea was mooted and that we are able to roll out this initiative at this most opportune and appropriate time. So kudos to my team here for coming up with the idea, and as well as for meticulously planning it and now ready to execute it across all the regions. So my sincere thanks to all the executives in the foundation and the regional staff, be it the regional business heads, the branch managers, the microfinance executives who got involved in carefully screening and selecting the most deserving microfinance entrepreneurs who have been loyal to us over the last few years, banking exclusively with us, being committed to doing their business, repaying us promptly, and wanting to further their business with the help of HNB, their partner in progress. So this is our gratitude, our response in the form of a investment from the foundation amounting to rupees 20 million, which might spread across around 200 customers for a beginning, and our expectation is that these customers will make good use of it for their working capital, to recapitalize their business and get back on the ground, especially if they were very much affected by the COVID-19 pandemic and their businesses either came to a grinding halt or slowed down to the extent that they are unable to make a positive bottom line or unable to support some of the facilities that we have granted. Once this money is put into the business and it starts to work for them, then we will be in a good position as HNB, as a passionate microfinance supporter and financier, to actually partner them and take their businesses forward. The year 2020 has been an extraordinary year. It has been challenging for all of us. And I am very, very pleased that the team at SME and at Microfinance, the work that they have done morning, noon, and night, and the weekends to try and support more than 85,000 customers, moratoriums in terms of over 320 billion, debt facilities, the debt relief scheme of over 24 billion. We have supported all our customers, and we hope that that support would have been of value to them. And now, when the economy slowly starts to kick back, we will be able to start getting the repayments back in place. I sincerely hope that everybody is focused, and especially with a budget which is focused on helping the SMEs and the microfinance entrepreneurs, promoting entrepreneurship, promoting domestic production, manufacturing. This gives a great opportunity for microfinance customers to latch on, get into the supply chain of, let's say, big corporates, big SMEs, and start supplying into them, because imports are somewhat restricted. So we need to go into that space and create that import substitution which is required through domestic production. And this is my sincere wish, my endeavor from HNB through our SME divisions and our microfinance divisions to help all these customers to be able to increase their production, look at new products, look at new opportunities to start producing in Sri Lanka, initially for local trade, and then thereafter even looking at markets like the exports. Now, HNB, more than any other organization, can do this better. We have a track record of over 3 decades where we have sincerely committed ourselves to help the microfinance segment. This is on the back of a lot of success that we have gained in understanding the SME segment, being a 130 plus year bank and having sort of done this business throughout the country, having a branch network very well spread out. The lower end SME taught us that we have actually got to go one level further and help our microfinance customers, and this we do it not just for a business purpose, not to grow our balance sheets only, not only for our profit and loss, but with a sincere view to develop Sri Lanka, enable Sri Lankans through financial literacy, financial assistance, and uplift the grassroots level entrepreneurs and bring them from those levels to SME. And a lot of them have actually become corporates at this stage. So my invitation today on this groundbreaking initiative, on the launch of this business support program, is for all our microfinance customers, join hands with HNB, with your HNB microfinance executives, branch managers, and regional heads out there. Join them, partner them, start working collaboratively, work together. Let's make sure that you develop your business and HNB is able to continuously support you as you grow. Use all the opportunities that have been provided in the budget. We will do the best that we can once this particular grant is exhausted and you need further support. I would like to see our teams rallying and then being in touch with you to see how you actually go about your business. So this whole project will be monitored and supported with the executives at the center, at the Sustainability Foundation, in addition to the region. So you'll always find that we will be in touch with you throughout. So my sincere gratitude to the HNB Sustainability Foundation, all my regional staff for coming up with this idea and for making it a reality today. But in particular, I want to thank all my microfinance customers and entrepreneurs for patronizing the HNB business, for supporting us, and we in turn look forward to doing even more, strengthening our teams and doing more than what we have done in the previous 3 decades in the years to come. I wish this endeavor all success, and I wish all your businesses success and a very happy and prosperous 2021. Thank you. May God bless you all.